I'm really on the journey to put the cutlass back together. This shit finna get for real, for real. My face keep changing. I might look different in different shots here. Over time. You know. Alright. Let me go lock this damn thing up, man. Then we'll ride, my dog. We got a damn tattoo cast on. I don't know for fucking what. Jitterbugs. Yeah, man, I'm finna get today the dashboard for this motherfucker. I think I'm gonna take the dash I. I'm in the middle right now. Recustomizing the dash, or should I put the original dash in? Give it that original look. Gotta stay tuned to find out, my dog. See what's going on. Tell me what you think I should do.
I've been out the way just chillin', niggas stickin' to the business. I ain't worried about you niggas, I got some youngins who are spinning. Giant boys, I really listen. In my blood, I miss Billy. I be laughing like they kick it, but I ain't playing with you bitches. Out my bread, I need it all, run it up, save it all. Classic coming up, my dog. Get you a Chevy through the door first, cause I'ma swing them open with the mold like Bellagio. Bitch, you still floating, got these pussy niggas beat, man.
Hey, listen, since I cranked this bitch up, it just been running. Like running. That how Doobie got me, y'all. Stuck a screwdriver in my trunk hole. You know, I ain't no pressure though. I still got this motherfucker now. I'm finna run it back crazy. And I'm put that pressure on y'all niggas. Alright, these cutlass. This official day one. Working on the cutlass. Style sound, bitch. Bring Blue Hunnid back. You complain about the water, but bitch, you ain't had no water just now at the store. I take it bad when I get home. It's hot. It's summertime, bro. You done got way to Atlanta and want to start acting bougie. See there?
Yeah, LA.
You ain't from Florida.
Huh?
You from Fat Austin, nigga. You from Georgia.
My old girl might be,
You from right there in the bottom. The bottom of Georgia.
My daddy is.
I don't think I ever got this car washed. When I was driving, I don't think I got it washed for like twice. Ain't want no car washing here, so purple power, and then this shit don't work. Huh? Whiskey. You need some whiskey?
They're greasy.
Yeah, purple power. Yeah. You see? I'm gonna spray it on the car?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a discount right here. Oh yeah. I'm finna bless you today. They gonna know about Styles car wash today. Styles and Jimmy's. Jimmy sound, bit. Style wash. We at the style wash. I'm gonna start washing cars now. Put you out of business. Look at me over here. I'm booming, bro.
Booming already.
I'm booming.
One day, they ain't left me all day.
Ooh. Oh, so they be slow over there. Y'all be sitting around. They tell y'all to clock out when y'all just sitting around. But we slow at y'all. We slow. They only pay you for the car the time you sit washing cars. Yeah, they tight over there. They tight over there, boy. That's why I try to keep y'all busy. I already know. And she want every dollar too. Hey, We need some more car wash stuff, bro. You know, Travis took all his shit, didn't he? I know about all over the car on here. I know Chad got some. Ooh, that boy scrubbing that dirt, boy. You need to. You don't even take a bath that good. Here goes a car wash in here, man. What you talking about?
What that?
Car wash. I bought it over here for you. Hey, somebody left this bitch in my shop. It came out somebody's trunk of their car. Am I in there? Shit, you want it? If you want it, should have took it with you. You worry about that jam in that motherfucker. They'll worry about that beat. That's what they call in Georgia, that beat. That's all they'll worry about. They wouldn't worry about their spare tire, nothing. Want that OG? Gotta come shop with me. Hey, here, put this in there. Here you go.